In this video, I'll detail how to turn off Assistive Touch on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to use or enable Assistive Touch to be able to use hand gestures like double tap your thumb and index finger or clench to perform a certain action using hand gesture on your Apple Watch, then you need to turn on Assistive Touch. However, if you want to disable Assistive Touch, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when I want to turn off or disable Assistive Touch on your Apple Watch Series 9 is press the 3 crown once, just once. Then while on the Help library, click on Settings. Then on Settings page, scroll down. And then click on Accessibility. Once you click on that, you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to Assistive Touch under Motor. Then you should see Assistive Touch turned on. Then click on it. Now locate Assistive Touch. You see, Assist will allow you to control your Apple Watch using hand gesture. Now to disable it, just turn this off. That's it. And that is going to turn off the Assistive Touch on your Apple Watch Series 9. Henceforth, you will not be able to use double tap to pick a call on your Apple Watch or double tap to perform any certain action including clench or double clench. So that's how you can easily disable or turn off Assistive Touch on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.